Hello guys, this is going to be a tutorial on how you can sort the different axes inside of Visual, inside of Power BI, right? So we have a chart in here, we have a visual, a graph, and we want to change basically the order of the axes, right? So that, for example, Chris, who spent the more money, is going to be now last, and Richard, which spent the least money, we want it to be first. So we're going to have to go to more options in here and to sort axes, and we're going to click on spend, which is the y-axis, the axis that we actually want to sort. And instead of sort by descending, we're going to go to sort by ascending order, right? And once we do that, as you can see, Chris is now the last one, right? We can also do it by name, by a alphabetical order, right? So if we go to names in here, as you can see, Amanda now is the first one because it starts with the letter A, and Serge is the last one because it's with S. And we can also do the opposite, and Amanda is now going to be the last one. So this is it. Thank you very much.